Hi guys, I'm back in the Lake District. I'm going to have a crack at Beda Fell today. I'm starting off in the little village of Martindale. As always, I'll put the details where I start underneath. So I'm going to swing the camera around so you can see it. So I'm going to start off on the right hand side of this ridge. I'm going to work my way all along there, all the way up there to the left. And you can see there's a bit of snow on the summit. So that's Beda Fell up there. So I'll bring you guys back when I get a bit further along, see what we see. So it looks like we divert off the road here and go up this track. Fantastic day for it. Sometimes these crisp mornings make the best days. As long as you're well wrapped up, it's all good. So we swing off to the right here, head up alongside this wall. Well, I'm up onto the ridge. Should be steady away now, all the way to the top. Wow, look at that. Fabulous. Looks like it goes up a gear here. Third outing for the Moab 3 new walking boots that I got last week. I have to say, I'm impressed. It's about -1 in the Lake District and there's quite a lot of frozen ground, but my feet are lovely and toasty, lovely and dry. Yeah, so 10 out of 10 so far. Well done, Merrill. This looks like it's the final push to the summit. Looks like it's going to be quite arduous. I'll just chip away at it, take my time. There's quite a few places on this walk that I would say are a bit of a scramble, so it's quite hard for me to climb up some of these things and record with the GoPro, but I'll try my best to try and get some good footage. As you can see, we've entered the snow layer now, the snow barrier. Looking back over the way we've come, in the distance on the horizon you can just about make out Hallin Fell, and then to the left and right of Hallin Fell you've got views of Ullswater, and in the far distance, I don't know if you can make that out, but that's the town of Penrith. Hi guys, I made it to the summit of Allen Crag. As far as I know, it's not a Wainwright, but I just thought I'd include it just in case. It's a nice little summit. Nothing quite like the sound of walking through crusty snow. It never gets old, does it? Well folks, we're just approaching the summit of Beda Fell. The summit stands at 509 metres or 1,670 feet above sea level, and on a clear day it offers spectacular views of the hills surrounding the Bannerdale and Boredale valleys. guys, while we leave the summit of Beda Fell behind us, and I'll start my way down and go and get some lunch, I think. When you come down, it's hard not to break out into a bit of a run, and then you can't stop, can you? Quite surprised I managed to get the drone up there. It was quite windy at the top. I think it was on its limit, but hopefully I've got some good footage. Funny how you go back the same route and you get like a complete different perspective on it. Sometimes you swear blind, you never went up that way, but you did. Well, that's it guys, we're just coming up on St. Peter's Church in the little village of Martindale. I've walked 5.2 kilometres, that's just under 3¼ miles, and it's taken me around 2 hours to complete. I've enjoyed this walk, it's been a perfect day for it. So I hope you guys can join me soon for another adventure. Bye for now.